Well, howdy tubers, back on it again today, or start anyways. Had a message from Ultra Cruiser UK, well, two of them, two messages, liking what I'm doing, and I haven't figured out if he's building one or got one or whatever, but he's liking the builds. I'll have to find out where he is in the UK because preacher that I used to have that lives about half a mile from me, if that far. He's from England, and I just wonder if they're anywhere close. So anyway, I am working on drilling this side. And of course, since you can't take it apart to deburr it after you drill them, the tighter you can hold them together when you drill them, well, then the less or possibly no shavings will get in between the two pieces of metal. So I'm squeezing them tight with the Cleco clamps and then drilling it. And then, of course, put a Cleco in there to hold it still tight, and then on to the next one. And then I will put some solid rivets in there. But I thought, well, I had another, I'll say, possible subscriber, don't know, saying that it wasn't boring watching the riveting, but he said I could have changed camera angles. I thought, hey, I never thought of that. I'm not a camera person. So I will see if we can do that. I got the little dealie sitting here. Got a little bit of a light going on here. So we'll just do some drilling and see what happens here. Okay, maybe we can bore you some more. Put that down there to squeeze that metal so that it holds them together, and I center punch these. Good old Harbor Freight. There's one more. May not be able to get to that one down there. If I get as close to it as I can. The ones at the top, I guess, might be on their own. So that's holding them together, and then I'll get back behind there with drill bit or whatever you got to deburr and deburr them. But I guess these will just be well, maybe I can get a clamp in there. How about that? Movie camera magic. And since I can't reach it with the regular drill bit, of course this is a little short anyway, but I will use very handy 12-inch number 30 drill bit. There's that. Let's see. Well, it won't be much of a different camera angle, but let's see. Does it even show up? Yeah, I guess that's showing up. Is that better? I guess it shows up all right. I was going to put this light on there. Well, that's going in at an angle. Well, my buddy Matt, he said he was feeling better this morning. He didn't have a fever. And so we've been talking about the side rails and stuff for his. He hasn't got those from Matt yet. And so I told him, he checked on Metal by the Foot, and I may just run down there and get them for him. And then I told him I'd go ahead and get them and I'd bend them for him. But he said, well, let's do it together. And I thought, well, that'd be a good video to do for YouTube. So I don't know how long that'll be before we'll be able to do it, because he's still sick, but it's a plan. There we go. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to get back in here and deburr. Oh, did show you what I was using. Just a 1/4-inch drill bit. Well, you get the idea there. There we go. Got to vacuum out, because you guys realize what a clean freak I am. Yeah, right. Anyway, now we'll shoot some solid rivets in there. Okay, we're going to shoot or squeeze some 4-4 button head rivets in here. Of course, now everybody else will put rivets in there, but I like the solid rivets only because, well, mainly because they look better, but I'm sure there's no real significant difference in the strength, and buku's cheaper. So much cheaper. And that means the more AVEX rivets I can save by doing solid rivets, I'll have me a lot of extra solid rivets. I mean, I'll have a lot of extra AVEX rivets for doing whatever else I want to do. Repairs or whatever. Or for helping other people. I did turn it on, didn't I? Yep, I turned it on. In the Air Force, we did this. Okay. If that showed up on camera, I don't know. I don't know. I do it with my pneumatic squeezer, but it won't fit in there. Well, this will be as boring as it was yesterday with the AVEX rivets. So I think we'll stop there. Yeah, we'll stop there because we're getting a long video, which everybody's wanting. So I will get this up there on YouTube, and maybe here in a little bit I shall go and get that aluminum 3/4 by 3/4 1/8 inch wall by 72-inch long side rail pieces for my buddy Matt. So there you go. Everybody have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button. All these other things I hear people saying. And God bless.